Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and getting hands-on. Check the device firmware version and immediately back up the attendance database to USB or cloud. This preserves records if something fails. Next, make sure you have admin credentials and the device is reachable on the network. Set a static IP if needed. Finally, gather required transfer tools like a USB stick or RS-232/USB cable, because once you start the update, you won't pause for missing hardware. Once done with preparation, transfer the update package to the biometric unit using your chosen method: USB for local updates, SFTP for remote installs. Then log in as admin and trigger the installer from the device UI or, when available, the serial console. Follow prompts to apply firmware and software patches. Make sure to watch the progress bar and system logs. If the device reboots automatically, allow it to finish before interacting further so internal migrations complete cleanly. After the install, verify success by checking the firmware version and performing live tests. Enroll a test user and record a punch-in and punch-out. If any records are missing, restore the database from your backup and resync with the central server. This preserves payroll integrity. Finally, document the update details, version, date, and any anomalies, and schedule routine checks. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip is to reapply the backup and retry the update in recovery mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.